Hello class 5. Welcome back to your English language class. Children, today we will start with a new chapter and the name of the chapter is Nouns, that is possessive case. Okay, now open your book at page number 16. Page number 16. So this is your book, Basic English Grammar and Composition, isn't it? And we have completed chapter 3 of this chapter 1, 2 and chapter 3. And today we will start with nouns, the possessive case. Okay, so open your book at page number 1613. Nouns, and the topic that we will discuss is possessive case. P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-V-E case. Possessive case. The possessive case. Now what do you mean by possessive case? Possess means what? Possess means belongingness, isn't it? Possess means what? Possess means belongingness. So here what we will discuss is, we will show the nouns, that is nouns possessive case. Okay. Suppose this pen is mine. I am the owner of this pen. So you will say this is Papia ma'am's pen. So how you will write Papia ma'am's pen? P-A-P-I-Y-A. Papia ma'am apostrophe S. Now here in possessive case we will talk about this. Okay, what is apostrophe? When do we use apostrophe? What is apostrophe? It is a raised comma. Raised comma. Okay. Now we use possessive case to show who owns something. As I told you, this pen is mine. So I am the owner. I possess the pen. Okay. If I say this book is Ravi's. This is Ravi's book. Then how I will write Ravi's? R-A-V-I is Ravi. This is called apostrophe. Apostrophe means a raised comma. Then I'll put an S. Ravi's book. Is it clear to you? So we use possessive case of noun to show who owns something. Clear? Then we use this apostrophe and S with a noun. So Ravi is a noun, isn't it? So I am using, this is Ravi. So I am using this apostrophe, then this S. Okay, to show that Ravi is the owner of this book. Clear? Ravi is the noun. Ravi is noun, name of a boy, isn't it? So here apostrophe and S, they shows that Ravi is the owner of this book. This is called noun possessive case. Clear? Now in this book you see 4 pictures are given. Now let me read the sentences for you. Number 1, there is a bird's nest on this tree. There is a bird's nest on this tree. Then second sentence is, Kapil is wearing his father's cap. Father's cap. Then okay, 2 examples are given here. Next one is 2. This was third one. Kapil is wearing his father's cap. Then the second sentence is, Tina plays with Susan's pet, a dog. Okay. Then these cars seats are comfortable. These cars. Okay. Now this is father's cap. This is bird's nest. And this is Susan's dog. Okay. Let me show you. In the first case, what is the first sentence? Read the first sentence. See, there is a bird's nest. Birds. See, this is an apostrophe This is S. There is a bird's nest. Okay, first sentence. Then in the second sentence, father's cap. Second sentence, Susan's dog. Apostrophe S. Dog. Third sentence, father's cap. And in the fourth sentence, car's seat. Okay, done. So I said bird's nest. Whose nest is this? Bird's nest. Okay. Then Susan's dog. Whose dog is it? Susan's dog. Then father's cap. Whose cap it is? Who is the owner of the cap? Father. So I have put father apostrophe. Then this is S. Here car's seat. These car's seats are comfortable. Okay. So car's seat. We are talking about the seat of what? The car's seat. The seat belongs to the car. The cap belongs to father. The nest belongs to the bird. And the dog belongs to Susan the girl. So here in all these sentences, what we have found that they are, means here the word birds, then Susan's, father's and cars, they all shows possession, isn't it? They shows possession. So they are called possessive noun. So all these are called possessive nouns. Clear? Is it clear to you? Now you can tell very nicely that what is possessive noun, or what do you mean by possessive case. So we know that possessive case shows who owns something, and what we do in possessive case, we put a apostrophe and S with the noun who possesses the thing, who shows the possession. Means here who shows the possession? The bird, bird's nest. So with bird we have used apostrophe and then S. Okay, this is all about nouns possessive case. Is it clear, children? Go through this once. Then come to page number 17. This is page number 17. We will discuss about page number 17 in the next class. Okay, till then you go through this what we have learned with the examples. Clear? Thank you.